Hello YouTube, Jebo Outdoors here. I'm really excited. It's really nice and beautiful day. Even though it's gonna be windy tonight, I'm gonna be cooking for you some traditional um, dish, which is a surprise, but it's gonna be really helpful on a hangover or very cold environment to warm up, and it's a delicious dish as well. So I'm really excited to meet you tonight uh, and come over and cook with me. And I want to thank you. My last video was really popular, and I want to thank you for all your support and help for motivating me doing these videos for you guys. Thanks. It is really windy today, so I'm gonna be start the fire. We just start fire starters you've seen already before. So hope I'm gonna get luck. And all this coal down here is will be wet because it was raining yesterday, the day before. So let's see. I have some dry wood and twigs and kindling ready, and we should be successful because we can't fail. There we go. Using the saw is really good exercise right now. We can warm up. Taking out the kindling is not a joke. It's a hell of a work. Heck of a work. Even before you just start cooking, you need to start the fire. Preferably use gloves. Okay, let's get started with the fire. And prepare my fire lighters because it's really windy. So I will need to use some help just to be sure, because it's gonna be a long time cooking, so I want to start my fire really fast and get my hands on cooking. I'm not gonna burn my hands. There we go. Need help with some of our fuel, and of course your fire always needs help in such windy conditions and wet conditions as well. I'm trying to light these little bricks, and as you can see, the wind is blowing that way, so I'm trying to prevent it from blowing out my fire. Actually burning real hot now. Fire starts successful, so I'm going to be adding some tinder to it. Get started with alright. You got this. There we go. I'm gonna build a little beautiful pyramid here. Yeah, wind wants to blow it out because it's blowing straight from that direction to this direction. I'm gonna put more tinder on this side, so wind gonna help me out in starting my fire. I'm gonna use it for my sake and not let it extinguish my fire. A little tinder here. Some of these twigs are wet. The fire is burning so hot. My younger son came over. Luca, say hi. Yeah, there you go. Say hi. Yeah, he came over to warm up his hands. It is really clear sky and moon is shining like this day. It's not a full moon yet. I wish I had a tripod. I'm going to be doing my dish and cook over the coals. While we're waiting for the fire, let me show you my little toy. So this is a cast iron pot with a cast iron cover, and you can use this as a pan, frying pan, and you look at this beauty. These legs will, let you cook over another cast iron or over the coals, so you not extinguish the fire. So we'll see. We're gonna give a test to this little toy, and it's quite heavy. It's really small but quite heavy, so like carrying far, not an option. So guys, this is my boned meat beef. I'm gonna be using 1 onion and 1 tomato. Safety. Yeah. Smoke is blowing into my face and eyes. I'm literally doing this half blind. Like big chunks of potato. And that's pretty much it. Let's see what we have here. Oh, our water is boiling. pretty nice. So we are running hot over here. There we go. Yeah. So it's time to put our meat in there. Into the boiling water. Just a regular water, right? Oh wow. There we go. And we kind of let it to boil again for now. Let's see how we're doing. Let's see. Oh, we got our boiling water, and our beef with its bones are getting cooked really nicely. We got a really hot fire, and this wind, even though it's really awkward for us, it's really cold. It's helping to keep fire hot, and that's what we need. So we are kind of using it in our advantage, right? So guys, we're gonna be adding some bay leaves, like handful, maybe one bigger one will be fine too, and a mix of peppers, all the colors you can see here. I'm trying to keep this hanger upside position, so, and the leaves, so it will gives really good aroma. You can actually do it to your discretion. Some people like it spicy, some people like it salty, so bay leaf is a must. It will give such an aroma, and you can use like black peppers if you want, or red, or kind of do it your way. So this is my way of doing it. So yeah, as a reminder, to actually have boiling water for like 10 minutes until beef is really nicely cooked, and then we're gonna have our onions and potatoes added in, but I'll show you. Let's see what we got inside. It's been boiling for like 10 to 8 minutes maybe. Oh yeah, look at this, all fat and not ready yet. It's been boiling for 20 minutes now, and we are almost ready, so we can actually dump our onions and potatoes in. There we go. Okay, so I have this cilantro here. I'm gonna cut into the small pieces to add in our delicious food. I have garlic, but as for the garlic, guys, I'm gonna smash it and add into my plate. That's more effective, and it gives a better aroma. So you can add it in the pot if you want, but I'm gonna show you how to smash it and add it into your plate as much as needed, of course. Let's see what we got here. Oh, cooking good, but needs a little more time. Smells so good. Oh, it's time to add Control. There we go. Look at that beauty. Absolutely gorgeous. Divine. Put it back, and we're gonna be good to go in 5 minutes, I think. Now I'm gonna prepare my garlic. There you go. Guys, you need to add as much as you want, right? So I'll do it this way. I'll have to smash it. There you go. I'll do outdoor way. You can do it whichever way you want. And add as much as you want. Don't make it too spicy. Don't overdo it. All my family is waiting for this dish to cook, so I'm gonna have a little chunk of it only. Let's see. Oh yes, oh yes. This is definitely ready. Let me just show you what's going on over here. Sorry for shaking camera. Just wanted to show you. Let's see if it's... Yes, this handle is really helpful. Orman did it really nice. So we're ready. We're ready to have some delicious food. This fire is nice. Okay, I'm gonna add a handful of salt. Maybe a little more. There we go. Mix it. Let me show you what's going on over here. Look at that. This is something. Okay, it's getting cold, so put the cover on. So cast iron can keep it warm. Time of truce. Okay. Little juice and a couple of potatoes here. There we go. So guys, I really love garlic, so if you want, you can add just a little one. But please make sure you're gonna add garlic inside your dish, not in the pot, right? It will give more aroma to it. Just do a little mix. And cheers. This is something. Believe me or not, do it yourself. You're gonna see. Unbelievable. So guys, if you want to see more videos like that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm really thankful to all of you out there. My last video got so many views, and
all your support and comments. Well, thank you for watching, and please look forward to like see more videos. I'm gonna make more with big pleasure because you guys are watching. Thank you. Cheers. Oh yeah. This is nice.
Oh, the fire was delightful. But safety first.